Okay, so here's an advanced technique for breaking in a gear stage really quickly. If you have a 130 size DC hobby toy motor, you can just press the tip in to the spline. Make sure you have a carrier inserted. You've already manually broken it in. The pins will hold the planet gears in alignment because this is going to spin it really, really fast. So set it down on the floor, connect your DC motor, hold it in alignment, lift it up slightly so this is going to spin it and break it in. You don't have to do this for long. Now, this is super broken in. We could use the trick instead of popping the carrier onto the spline and then trying to mess with aligning things blindly. You can just make sure it's broken in, insert it on the top side instead of the bottom side. Make sure it's aligned. Works really well. Now, just take a drill bit, insert it through this hole, and push down. Well, okay. Once you get it screwed in, push down and you hear the little snap. We just snapped the carrier in place without having to align the pins. Now we could screw it on fully and we're set. And we didn't even have to worry about lining up the pins.